Denver, Colorado. It's 8:37. It's, well, 8:40 now. Approximately 5 minutes. It's been booming nonstop. Sounds like the mountains are exploding. And it keeps going from east to west, like where Denver Airport is, to directly where the mountains are, and it's moving, vibrating our house. Sounds like it's directly behind my house right now.
No, that's not fair.
And dogs are going crazy.
It's weird.
And it's in the back of the house by